There you go. Now you can see it.
Good morning, CMS. Today is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. We are going to be standing for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody, today's menu for Tuesday, October 20th. You have Philly cheese steak sandwich basket with baked chips, baked beans, vegetable medley, and fresh fruit. Choice B, personal pizza. We now are moving to Wednesday's menu. We've got a new item. It's in capital letters, so I'm going to shout. A new item. There we go. Just want to add emphasis. So we have Monte Cristo sandwiches. Ham and white American cheese inside French toast. I'm leaning towards that one. All right. MOG fries. Sidekicks slushy and fresh fruit. I'm really feeling Wednesday right now. Really looking forward to Wednesday. Choice B, stuffed crust pizza. Next, we have breakfast. City Mini, pears and milk for breakfast. Now, we are moving on to this. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to take myself off the screen here. All right, congratulations to this week's weekly winners. For 6th grade, Cole Brown, Sophia Norton, Riley Samkowski, and Camden Carter. 7th grade, Dominic Naiu, Josie Lloyd, Burdette Crandall, and Gavin Baird. 8th grade, Natalie Gasper and Madeline Beers. All right. The Bulletin. And honestly, I probably butchered some of those names, and I apologize. I'm apologizing right now. So sorry, I tried my best on that one. Now we move on to the November bulletin board. Think of this. November 6th is the end of the first quarter. November 9th, the second quarter begins. And then we have good old Turkey Day, Thanksgiving break, November 25th to the 27th. Now we've got the quote of the day. This is shared by Abby Plowman. Learn character from trees, values from roots, and change from leaves. Students, remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right, that is a wrap for Wednesday. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Wednesday, right? Is it Tuesday? I think I skipped ahead. You know what? It was that whole Monte Cristo sandwich on Wednesday. It's throwing me all off. I'm looking so forward to Wednesday that I completely messed up. Well, then there you have it. Be safe, be smart, and make wonderful decisions out there. And be blessed, Cloverleaf. I'm going to have the rest of my apple cider.